cash flow. I'm going to give you 3 creative ways to improve your cash flow in a minute without getting a loan. But before I forget, head over to my website, yourwealthadvocate.com, to download my free book, 7 Ways to Legally Beat the IRS. How often has your controller came to you to tell you that payroll and payroll taxes are due and the company doesn't have enough cash, so the owners have to give up getting a paycheck for that week, or at least defer it? That's because there's no cash to pay you, or sometimes you even have to ask key employees in the company not to take a paycheck because you're waiting to get paid by a customer. You know your company's profitable, however, because of growth or expansion, you're just a little short on cash flow. Have you ever had a piece of equipment break down where you're afraid to call a repair service because you didn't have enough cash to pay them? As I mentioned earlier, I'm not here to sell you a bank loan, but to show you ways that you can get cash from within your business by taking advantage of programs provided by the government or little-known tax laws that allow you to get the cash you desperately need. Have you had to order equipment for a project or new product and were stymied because you're worried about paying for the equipment? You know you have to replace a piece of antiquated equipment, but your bank account is low and you can't get cash from the bank. It's holding you back from getting new business? Well, here's a way. If you own a commercial building or have done renovations on one that you rent, you can get a huge amount of dollars returned by added depreciation through overlooked tax laws by a lot of accounting firms. In our process, we work with your CPA to help you take advantage of these tax savings and get rebates immediately. For one HVA company in southern New Jersey, we got them $70,000 within a matter of a few weeks. Secondly, if you hire workers that fit into certain categories that the government has designated, you may be able to get rebates for those employees up to $9,600, depending on the classification of that employee. It's about $2,400 per employee on average. If your company has done any work that's innovative or changes your processes to improve profits and efficiency, there's an often overlooked strategy to get huge rebates for money spent improving those processes. We find that 75% of business owners are unaware of the money they're leaving on the table for just this one. Just because you think your company does not qualify, you might be surprised at the wide disparity of industries that receive rebates. We have examples of healthcare providers, chiropractors, manufacturers, many other industries that have received 6-figure rebates. These are only 3 of the many strategies that we use to help clients to get additional cash flow without costing them anything. Oh, by the way, none of our programs cost you anything. We only get paid if you get paid. If you're not sure that your company qualifies for one of these types of cash flow boosters, don't worry. We have a process that's quick and easy. We can do a free analysis that uses artificial intelligence to see if you qualify. Schedule a time to talk to me at talktoroy.com, and we can figure out how to get this done. Don't wait too long, because the quicker you get it done, the quicker you have the cash.